In this video, we'll make the distributive law feel simple. On the screen, you see the expression 3 times parentheses 2x minus 5 plus 4 times parentheses x plus 7. By the end of this lesson, expressions like this will feel easy. The distributive law is all about multiplying into parentheses. Our strategy is very short. First, multiply the outside number with every term inside the parentheses. Second, be careful with plus and minus signs. Third, at the end, combine like terms. Keep this in mind while we go through a few quick examples. First, a pure number example. 3 times parentheses 4 plus 2. We distribute the 3. 3 times 4 plus 3 times 2. That is 12 plus 6, which gives 18. Next, an algebra example. 5 times parentheses x plus 2. Multiply 5 with x and 5 with 2. We get 5x plus 10. Now, an important one with a minus. Negative 2 times parentheses 3x minus 4. Negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. Negative 2 times negative 4 becomes plus 8. So the result is minus 6x plus 8. The key here is that the minus sign in front of the parentheses flips the sign inside. Let's use the distributive law when we have two parentheses. First example. 2 times parentheses x plus 3 plus 3 times parentheses x plus 1. Distribute both numbers. We get 2x plus 6 and 3x plus 3. Put everything together. 2x plus 6 plus 3x plus 3. Now combine like terms. 2x plus 3x is 5x and 6 plus 3 is 9. So the answer is 5x plus 9. Second example. 4 times parentheses 2x minus 1 minus 3 times parentheses x minus 5. Distribute. 8x minus 4 and then minus 3x minus 15. That gives 8x minus 4 minus 3x plus 15. Combine like terms. 8x minus 3x is 5x and minus 4 plus 15 is 11. So we get 5x plus 11. Now let's solve the hook example from the beginning. 3 times parentheses 2x minus 5 plus 4 times parentheses x plus 7. First distribute. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times minus 5 is minus 15. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times 7 is 28. Then put it all together. 6x minus 15 plus 4x plus 28. Combine like terms. 6x plus 4x is 10x. Minus 15 plus 28 is 13. So the simplified expression is 10x plus 13. Let's recap the key ideas. Multiply the outside number with every term inside parentheses. Be very careful with minus in front of parentheses. It changes the signs. After distributing, combine like terms. Now it's your turn. Simplify this expression. 5 times parentheses 2x minus 3 minus 2 times parentheses x plus 4. Write your answer in the comments and check what other people got. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning algebra.